Hi friends, this is Christopher Dias. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna sing to you a English song. The name of the song is Old Friends Are Best. So I will start my song. Old friends are best. I always remember when I was young the words my father would say. Be kind to the people you met in this life and help them along on their way. For each has their trouble, their own tale of woes, and each has a story to tell. A good wish, a smile, a kind word or two will help them to brighten their way. Old friends are best. That's what the old folks says. When put to the test, old friends are best. They stand by you come what may. Old friends are best. That's what the old folks says. When put to the test, old friends are best. You'll be my old friend someday. New friends are fine, but like a good wine. They only get better with age. In the blink of an eye, our years all go by. With every turn of life's page, trouble and strife will meet in this life, and we all must go on till the end. But in good times or bad, happy or sad, there is nobody like an old friend. Old friends are best. That's what the old folks say. When put to the test, old friends are best. They stand by you come what may. Old friends are best. That's what the old folks says. When put to the test, old friends are best. You'll be my old friend someday. Thank you.